Good to go. You're going, so now you're probably just going to have to redistribute the link. Which I assume you can find out here. Yep, there it is. Okay. Okay. All right, you should be good to go. Cool. We had to start it as a new live event. The one that we had up just like booted out.
Can you share the?
We'll have to reshare the link. Well, I don't want to get on your social media.
No. Get on group me and post it in the volunteer group me. Here, just put it down and I'll open it up and log into group me for you.
Jimmy John's used to, their sandwich used to be larger. Or maybe that's just mixed up. I remember having had 2 sections. Or I was just really hungry.
That sandwich smells serious.
Okay. Share it in this. Tag Sarah Baldwin and tell her to share it on social media.
That's kind of, I mean, part of the Italian.
That range is depending on which route it comes from the supermarket too.
They do look good.
Oh.
What's up?
What's happening here?
Not much. Nothing.
We just ate, so this got all the
Toast lunch. Recovery.
With, snacks.
Yeah.
Did someone make you a lunch plate?
No. Alexandra said
Where's that
Has it been in the
I should.
No.
It's a hot dog. It's got a half-life of about 1,000 years.
I mean, it's gonna be fine.
Or chicken.
How many hours?
Who am I tagging?
Riverville.
Sarah Baldwin.
40 degrees for longer
Sarah.
than 45 minutes. It begins to grow bacteria. Yes.
I've never used it.
That is the health code. You violate that in a restaurant. You're not gonna die, but that's just when you have the potential. The risk.
Did you accept it?
Wait, oh, you fish? Good God.
So that area was like.
You ran into him in New Orleans. It was very unfortunate. When we went to go see the show, we were at this family pub with Travis. His mother never stayed there. Whenever you stay.
Yeah, I was like, I'm keeping it tight.
We had to start a new broadcast. The one we had went kaput. La da 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 da.
Actually,
Yeah.
I turned to, I guess, like video mom and have that played.
No, I don't think so.
I don't think they make it play videos.
Maybe it needs to be a separate.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Won't take you that long.
I know, I was, in case I had to go back and redo that.
Yeah, that's a different story.
Yeah.
Welcome to the world of game development.
Yes. All right, thank you.
Redoing things 1,000 times. Yep.
No, still
Relax.
going way too fast.
Well, teach me about these crispy M&Ms.
I'll take that.
I've got a present for you.
I've never had these before. I don't think.
It is crunchy.
Why not?
What is it? Crispy or is it crunchy?
We kind of are.
It's kind of crunch.
I'm suing for false advertising.
Trying to take out the competition.
Killing people with crispy. Oh, it's weird. It's like the texture of a milk dud, but it's an M&M.
Yeah, milk does.
It tastes. Yeah, it crunches like a milk dud. Like,
Milk duds are the caramel ones.
No, I thought milk duds were just milk duds.
Milk duds are the ones that are full of the caramel, so it's like hard to chew.
Really?
The ones that get stuck to your teeth.
I think we're thinking of different milk duds. I've never known milk duds to have caramel. Of course, also every milk dud I've ever had tasted like spoiled milk. So,
What
he knows.
Are you talking Whoppers?
Whoppers, because
Yeah,
I was
they're
a poor
the-
child.
Oh, you mean Whoppers? Whoppers. Those are the things that are the multiple.
Those are crunchy.
Mm,
Yeah, remember that?
you're right.
Yeah,
You're correct.
if I slow down my room speed, the grass is fine, but like, wow.
You might have to actually.
At the taste of spoiled milk, you knew what I was talking about there.
It's malted milk.
Delicious is the big thing that I don't worry about.
Malls must be a synonym for spoiled.
There's a hard one.
I can't find this right.
Okay, let's see here. It's a creative one, right?
Google Pixel Man, make sure it's not on.
Pixel Man.
Yeah, like all internet.
He was like looking at the right stuff at the for like an hour. And I was like, why are you using Bing? You're using Microsoft Edge and Bing. It's good.
Doing everything wrong.
I'm gonna have so much ice cream ideas. Ice cream? Oh, okay.
The name of it called Blocks that changes the
Wait, they have a thing, they have a program where you can make your own spread. Where you can have pictures.
Nice.
Like, the mega.
Sometimes you gotta make sprites.
Sometimes you gotta drink them.
No, no, no.
Can't handle my comedy.
Can't handle your sprites.
I try to.
Literally. I had so much stuff. I just reminded me that you had this.
M&M's everywhere.
My life is
That was left-handed.
This works. Okay, so I did it. I just individually do it.
Also, what's nice about it, you can get a little bit more,
Yeah, you get more, like.
more variation. I think we're using all the animating.
Nice.
So you can make it for your trees or doing
Yeah.
your. Find a different.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I don't understand.
Everyone does know what the I got a present for you is from, right?
Yeah, I'll come again.
like,
Magic Conquer the original.
no, I don't know.
Well, within your time, like 94 or something.
I was born in 96.
Okay, there's no reason you should find it bad.
Well, I don't know.
No, you don't. You may not. You may know what Command and Conquer 3 is. You may know what Command and Conquer 3 and 4 are, but you don't know Command and Conquer. Until you know, I got a present for you. That was left-handed.
I don't see, I don't, I can play it, so okay.
He doesn't know it.
But I
You
was
let him in
that was
and
before my
that's not
time.
the way the original Command and Conquer.
That was before my time, though.
Yours old too.
I'm 24.
I had to tell them, like, it looks so good, and it makes us look
Have you played Pac-Man? Tetris? Pong?
I had time.
I mean, you see what I'm saying? Like, your age is not an excuse to know this. You really should know this game.
Oh, yeah,
It's kind of like every programmer knows StarCraft, you know? StarCraft and Command and Conquer come at the same time.
Okay, well, I mean, I know StarCraft.
You should definitely check them out. If you're in computer for game development especially, they are games that you should know. As case studies if nothing else. As case studies if nothing else. How they've influenced the market, how they've influenced the evolution of gaming. You should know these things when you're working. So good stuff. Yeah, you know what Mac is?
Yes.
Okay, good.
I know who it is, I just can't think of it off the top of my head right now. I know that name really well.
But see, the thing is, she's gone. It's gonna look weird. Lesson learned.
See, it was re-released in later years, but this is the N64 intro.
Is he saying that was left-handed?
Yes.
Why?
It's because people, that's an expression people used to use, especially being left-handed was less common, just to say like,
That was odd.
that wasn't even me at 100%, like I'm going easy on you kind of thing.
Oh, I see.
So, like, have you ever seen The Princess Bride? And there's the part where they're both sword fighting, and they're both fighting right-handed. One of them goes, but I've been going, he basically says, I've been going easy on you. I'm actually left-handed. The other one goes, I also am left-handed. And the whole battle escalates. It's basically saying that. It's like I could have gone harder. But it's funny because he's just placing C4. Like, it really doesn't matter what hand you use. I've got a present for you. And I actually did that at my when I went to combat engineer school. I got to do web demolitions.
Yeah.
That was the ongoing joke. I was like, cool guys don't look at explosions. And by the way, that was like, there's like a huge mushroom cloud in the background. Oh, I say huge. It makes a mini mushroom cloud. It's like, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, I guess that's. I mean, I had like.
I know it does.
Oh man, I need to check my boom beach. What am I doing in my life?
Oh, yeah. I started on that. I started on it. It's like,
It's like up here, so it makes it like, I like that.
no, I started on that.
Look at this tree. I love this tree. Look at the cat.
She has no rival. She's
I know. Yeah.
okay. Well, I haven't hovered over your shoulders and taken pictures of people.
Good picture of my boat.
Look once it.
It's gonna fade out soon. It's gonna fade out, so definitely. Yeah.
You can tap your notes.
Yeah.
I'm really sad that you couldn't have more than the
I like it. It's looking good.
Next time, what does it feel like? All right. So like all the parts, like so all the stuff that's the same, just like. You show the. No. Right. What if we open first and just have 2 seconds of dialogue?
I don't know how to undo
I've been stuck. Wait, no. Oh, that's awesome. I did. I took a bus tour through Ohio. I spent this semester at the University of Chicago trying to work. So. It helps. It's like $1,300. That's cool. I love driving by. I've been going there for graduating. Are you I know I've got big stuff going on in Edinburgh, Rockstar, and a bunch of I almost went to Dundee and Slingstrap, but I couldn't. Yeah, I didn't realize, well, because people, oh, then you like, like on the way, I know better. I would love to actually get working or something, so. Yeah.
Hey Philip, somebody was looking for you because you're streaming. It was you?
Yeah. I was like, hey, we're in the streaming.
Oh, good.
No, I'm in the
I got it.
I didn't see you there.
It's right there.
streaming too.
Yeah, we're streaming.
If you just search WICS Game Jam on YouTube, it's one of the first results. There are going to be 2 results because we had to restart the stream, but it's the one that's on now, of course. Nothing that will really slap.
What do you need?
Live now.
So to answer your question, you're the one of this, right? Sure. I'll see you.
Makes me really happy.
Yeah, because if y'all send it to y'all's people will probably watch it. Right? I was like, nobody was watching it at first except for us. And I was like, it's probably just because we have dudes on camera. I'm just going to go put it in front of some people. Hey, it's sad, but it works sad.
This is really nice to get some recording.
Yeah, I know. Why is the sorting so weird? It wasn't this weird when I made it.
I think it's you.
Doesn't go very well.
It looks so very so when I make the room, it looks fine.
Well, it looks fine. Just it will make it look nice.
Yeah, go over there. Go over there. You can do it. When did she get up? Okay.
Yeah, there's
All
a
right, so
pretty
you just walked across. You're still sitting down currently.
It's not gonna be in 2 places at once.
Okay, you just got up.
There we go. I'll be back. I'll be back to my chair.
Was on here?
Watching the stream, I'm seeing
Oh,
the delay.
Good, I can't be seen. You're like, about stands. It's only like the monitor.
Okay. Oh, there you go. So look, stop it.
This is a really good room.
Is it really good?
you guys all working together?
Yep.
How's it going?
Decent. Decent.
Their first jail.
All right, yeah, same here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a bunch of us do from New Orleans, so we work a company there, so we're just here the day.
Yeah, you're from high voltage?
Yeah, high voltage. Yeah. So, are you guys like programming, design, or?
We're all programmers.
We somehow managed to miss the artists. So
Artists and programmer.
You got like an alliance?
Yeah. We wish we knew that ahead of time. We would have tried that.
yeah.
So, how are you covering the art? Are you just like grabbing stuff online, or?
Pixel stuff.
Default editor, yeah. Is that a ham?
What's this thing?
You're gonna add that in there?
That's only fun I did it. We have another member who animated the legs of one guy and left.
Yeah, I seen there's 2 programmers through there working together. They're all just doing their own art, like just cranes and stuff. It's something I'll look to it. What are you using? Is Unity or Game Maker?
Experience with the games.
What do you guys do normally?
Java looks like.
Java.
Yes, Java. Well, we're computer science students.
So I've done C++. I've done. You ever know what video Lua is?
Yeah, we've used it before. Yeah.
I used it for like World of Warcraft add-ons.
Right.
I did that for a little bit.
Cool.
So that was fun.
Or like modding.
So what?
Just like mod stuff on it.
You like mods? Yeah.
All right. I didn't know they did that. Cool.
So like you play ever play World of Warcraft?
Briefly, a few like years ago now.
Did you use any add-ons like DPS tracking?
No, I was just playing the vanilla one. Like when we were at uni, our course director, he was like totally into the game, so he's like, "Oh, like try it." So.
Yeah, it's just like the only thing they allow you to do is like it's all GUI stuff.
Mhm.
Like you can't actually do anything like with the game. It's all like heads up.
Sure. Yeah.
So like, not to give anyone an advantage. You know.
Yeah. That's so cool. Yeah, it's a good place to start.
It was fun. Good experience.
They have a studio in New York.
Yeah, they just opened one January last year, so there's only about 7 months. There's a whole bunch of us came from a company in South Florida. They went under, so High Voltage just went and hired a whole bunch of us. It was nice. So like, we'll still work with them for years. It's nice.
So, have you worked on anything that you've been just
Not at the moment. Most I've been working on is actually been just the same stuff since we started.
Oh, really?
But yeah, it's been interesting.
Okay, sounds fun.
What like year are you guys in?
I'm first year.
Second. I was second, but I spent a year in physics, so I'm like taking freshman computer courses.
All right. The hell, physics help definitely.
Yeah, that was a long year.
Right.
Yeah, so you just select here, I'll show you. That's not very hard.
Why can't you do it? Nice. I like that. You make a restart the week.
Yeah, actually.
And do you ever want your blanket back? I won't give it to you if you say that. Take it. You're gonna wake up tomorrow morning. I'm gonna be gone. You're gonna search LSU like I was never in the system. I was just here every morning.
Yeah, like science class.
Not, yeah, I was never. I only went to the English class, so you do about me.
Yeah.
Slowly earn your trust.
The other guy, I think he said this to me last class. He's kind of old. He was reading about everything in pictures. He was making kind of an outburst.
Yeah. Oh, he's an older guy?
Kind of older looking.
Mustache?
Yeah.
Reading a newspaper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kind of bizarre, but
Yeah, a little bit.
I like when he was like, "You got any movies that you made that I could watch?" He asked the teacher.
Oh, yeah. It's only slightly creepy.
Well, it's still true. It's gonna be a lot. Make it a little dark. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, really?
You should go.
Yeah. I'm looking for live stream. Yeah, I'm looking for a live stream.
Scroll.
This is my Instagram. It's right here. It's rendered in the back. And it's a place for
You'll see registration. Well, then that's good. Slightly repeat. You see the gym? Registering is not. There's lots of tricks to it. Yeah, what you can do is you can put like a giant dot in the middle of each, very center of each square. And then you can see how that dot lines up the bottom. Right, so if you put out 100, 500, put a dot.
I was thinking it was gonna be like the best one thing. Right. But I'm really like explain it out.
This one here,
Right.
one here.
Yeah, if there's a way of setting it so that it's always exactly.
And then we make
Yeah, so it's.
it looks beautiful except for that.
Exactly what. Maybe just move those certain trees.
So yeah, so.
Oh, the thing is, whenever you have shade, the trees don't look like that.
It's just gonna be that plain.
Consider placed first or on top.
just move the ones that you placed over.
It's the biggest thing at the time is hotel.
Not right.
But like the thing is,
So if I'm delete all the trees, start on this end of the room, work to the top. So start at the bottom, work to the top.
Wait, but I thought the ones that you put last are the
the ones that you put glass are in the back.
Oh, okay, sorry.
You could.
Trying to wrap my head around. I feel like we're doing the explanations as a result. What about? That's super annoying, isn't it? Why can't it look like it does in the room? Try taking like a, if you want to remember.
Yeah. So you just make sure that it's the same body part.
The nice thing
That is part of the character.
This is another. How occupied with the maze is? Can let them have all the trees.
All the tree on it.
Do I can't go in there?
There's no little details. Yeah. That was a bad day.
And you can't see.
After like.
For the ocean. I remember you said you wanted everything to be dark, so I was thinking this would be the sand everywhere, and then this would be the path that
So things placed first.
There is more sound effect.
So you want to start at the bottom of the list.
Well, 32 by 32 is also
See
big.
that on the line where we're going to run.
And the other
It
just looks weird.
Then you can adjust them and make that
Yeah.
setup in the same part of the body.
Alright, thank you.
And I do like. Okay, so you have to go to the bottom of the list.
I need to do the maze down there. So it's gonna be rubber right there.
So. Wait, why? It's probably not.
I'd be really surprised if they had.
That's correct.
It was still running in the background.
I think I made the note.
Wait, but I have to do grass down.
It's a nice thing with grass.
Not everything.
Or part of it.
Place last.
We can just take that and put it on whatever you're under. So, Aubrey, or
Oh, okay. Well,
for a room. Or maybe not one of the rooms where there's like a piece of paper card. Like, this is the whole way to that.
The work only or the working out for you to project, so you want to then it goes to slab.
Oh, right here.
They all say VAR, but they mean different things.
He must just go up and explode them.
That was really good.
Wait, that's yours?
Yeah. We're gonna do one more, and I'm gonna, yours is gonna explode, and it's making me nervous. You know what I'm doing? I'm letting you start right running. The guy I was giving my food stuff all around.
Okay, so down here, object that has a.
I'm gonna let it go through the wall.
But I mean, like, what shape is it? Because I was thinking it was like a long rectangle.
I was like, because I know it is. Who's in me? Well, it's not long, right?
Okay, so she did,
I give my name around it, so big. I've got another one.
I don't know. So I was thinking about this kind of as the path going down, and it would just like go straight down.
Yeah.
Have you used NetBeans on that? Have you used NetBeans on a Mac before?
This is a mess.
Well, I know.
Oh,
You have.
no, but it runs. Why?
I have somebody over there who's having trouble with his project. He has to do so we can get back to doing real things. But
Is it Magic Square?
yeah.
Oh, it's a bitch.
Built in line.
Are you?
Well, the only problem he's having is that he put when he's trying to read the text file, you know how usually you can just put the name of the text file and read it in the same directory?
Yeah.
It's not doing that on this Mac thing for some reason. And I'm looking at code, it looks right to me, so I think it's supposed to do
You
it.
put it in the right folder?
It looks like it,
It should be in the same, it should be the project folder.
like with the code, right? Or
Not with the code, just like in the project folder.
that's probably all it is.
It should be like, so like if I open File Explorer to my NetBeans projects, just to make sure I'm getting this right. So NetBeans projects. If I open,
See, when I coded with Java, I just used the Java C.
it should be right in here. So just inside the project folder, not with the source code. It
I
should
see
be
what
just in the project folder. Yeah. Hey, what? Oh, I was gonna figure out because I got text showing up. So, wait, Logan, you want to see this? Why are you making that? Wait, what? Are we putting? You need something?
Yeah, I want to make it,
I think.
but
Okay. He's resting first. Alright, you ready? You want to see this? Look at this awesomeness. Oh my, what the heck is that? Why is it wiggling? Okay, ready? Watch this. Here's like, oh, I'm just gonna go to the TV. What's this? Check that out. Oh, not over here.
what you should change it to watch a season of Friends.
I just see the friend.
Yeah.
Or
See,
space.
I still think that's kind of hard to read.
It is hard to read, but you know it's somewhere. We can make a white. It might be easier to read. That's when it gets hard to read. So when you hit more.
Oh wait, you can't do the hit more than one.
Yeah, that's something I need to work on. But I think what I'm gonna do a while loop. That if you when you're in contact with one, so while you're in contact with one, it
Have you put a
sets.
desk and stuff in?
Huh? Not yet. I still gotta do that. I was getting the scripts done first. It's right. Cool. It's right. I have to save sprites. Oh wait, well I have all these. We just need a silo. So why are you This is the fridge. Do you want to make a highlight for the fridge?
Yeah, can you send it to me?
Yeah, I'll forward it to you. What's your name? I'm replying. Forward. What's your email?
You just Logan Sergio at gmail.com.
Logan.
The whole highlight thing's super easy though.
I feel like I should see what's going on in another room.
I did work.
You were right. I didn't even think about it. NetBeans makes so many folders.
It does.
That's why I don't. I
What do you use?
Java C.
Java C.
Yeah, I write all my Java code in Notepad,
Mm.
and I use Java C to compile it through the command prompt.
Why do you do a notepad? When do you do a notepad?
Any default notepad or notepad like plus plus?
Just Notepad, because I don't need anything else. I don't need it. I don't like autofill. I don't like auto tab. I don't like any the added functionality because I know what my code should be and I write that. I don't like fluff.
I got
Well, do you not care if it has it underlined, like if it's wrong?
I've never needed that.
Yeah, I can use that just to like give me direction.
Like I understand its usefulness, but I've been programmed. When it doesn't do stuff for me, it throws me off. I've had more problems with like opening brackets and it adding closing brackets in the brackets than I just do it myself. I don't like autofills. I don't like colors. I don't like that.
Yeah, I like the adding brackets because I know it's gonna add the brackets for me. So I just press enter and add them.
I've had more problems with trying to troubleshoot with the ID added. So that's like that right there. It's just easier for me to do it myself. But I've had to learn how to do it just so I can work with other people. That's completely useless if you can only work by yourself.
Yeah.
You're not an asset to a company.
So that's mistake.
It's a dance mistake. It's a teabag mistake, honestly. All right. I need to add some stuff.
The other thing is that
You want?
then you have a
I'll take a
platform
break.
agnostic approach, so it doesn't matter if I'm programming Unix,
Okay.
Windows. I just use whatever the text editor is. I'm wrong.
There you go. Have fun with that.
Just kidding.
Oh, you're good. While you're working on, what is this? Is it gonna be okay? I'm just save this real quick.
You like this better? Like,
Do me a favor, go up this real bit.
I came up at the right time. That's all that is. I want to go film some more people. I was in here for a little while. I haven't filmed you guys in a while, have I?
Is it a file? Is it?
It's Mecha. I just made it. Yeah, I made it in Unity. Another weird thing.
Is it completely busted? Like, can you still move with it?
An even weirder thing is when I press F and turn off the animation control. I mean, not the animation, the player controller. He jumps up in the air, and I don't know what. I don't know what's going on.
Where's the source for your animation?
Oh, I'm wondering also should you
I'm wondering if you get like.
No.
I mean, yeah, I just made it in, the animation window. What he suggested I do is I just turn off the camera, animate a separate camera, and then as soon as it gets there, as soon as the animation's over, turn that camera off, have the player there. Now nothing should be affecting anything. I'm just literally moving him to his place. But if it's not the animation, then I have a different problem.
Right. So I'm probably trying to rule out.
Right. That's what I'm about to do. I'm about to try that way, and then if that doesn't work, then
Just that.
it's not animation.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Then we can look into. I need to look into the actual animation itself. That could help you more with that probably versus.
I more feel like I want to reward myself when I speak to problem. Do you know how
Yeah,
many
if you dive into the
minutes
animation,
the center of the
give me a shout.
Some say 3.
Hey, August.
Am I the only person who likes the colored Tootsie Roll Pops, like the blue and green and stuff.
Why not?
Yeah, go with what?
I am already on that.
Can they hear me?
Yes.
Nobody else see? There we go, there's
The
one.
little float.
Little one.
Yeah, I love the fruit trees, bro, that's what they call it.
It's a vanilla fruit roll.
No one likes that.
You got even chicken.
What? It still says Tootsie registered on it.
Bro, that looks like.
These were like my game forever ago. I don't
That's
know
the color Tootsie Roll should be.
It got-
And you wanna just have the conversation like this?
Teach the world about.
No, there's no delay.
There's no objects. There's no. We're allowed to bring in the game.
Oh.
August.
We all are on the interwebs.
Wait.
On the YouTubes. On the YouTubes.
Oh,
I see myself on YouTube.
I am.
Wait, are we supposed to be making a game? What's a video game?
Play with sound.
Your nose is running. I need to find this dude. I don't know what the hell it is.
Hey man, watch your language, we're on camera.
I don't care. And that's the problem on mine. What? There's no object called that this entire game. Right down right there. How do I can't find objects like that? Okay, so I'm just gonna disable all of them. Boop.
Alright, you do?
Objects are.
There's objects that
Objects are
are
existing.
not, that don't exist, that are saying there's a screen, strip doesn't exist. Those objects don't exist in the scene.
You're good.
They're just.
I think we're too far. I think we're too good. I think we're too good, guys. We're too good.
I'm
We can't do
so.
that. We're too good.
We're too good.
It's like I can't remove it in the game because it goes away. I remember shooting out this problem in a ride. I was the first thing Brian did. He went over for light. He wrote a script to fix this. To go find
We
them.
felt afraid to get a script.
No, because the problem is they're going to go in the script file, they're in the script, this actual sequence.
Oh, yeah. So long. Should we be like playing a game?
That's how that happened.
I guess just no watch.
On the, I just don't put the live record.
I need to know what it is, right?
Okay, this I don't know how to fix this. There's gonna have these 6 errors every single time you open the play. No, this is from the description. Oh,
Multiplier?
wait. Here it is. Oh, wait. We're just gonna have 6 objects that don't do anything.
John, what's that?
Wait, you know. So we are.
This is your object from past game.
Yeah, no, I don't need to, but I don't know why I can't like remove them.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. Okay, there we go.
Wait, I know where they are. They go, you don't see them. They're probably in the folder. Folder is in the folder. Goes in the folder. They're probably in there.
The C folder doesn't exist.
No, I'm saying, don't do it.
No, they're not pre-filed, they're in the scene. I would need to go into the C file.
Yes.
Like literally they find them.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why Ryan wrote a script to go find them and delete them. Yeah, you can't, no, there's 500 things in that C file. You wanna see it, dog? Alright, you wanna do it?
I'm joking.
I'll let-
had to fix
Do you
one.
guys think push this?
I'll let you do this, one second, watch this.
Why are we not doing push? I thought you needed that.
There's more.
One. Alright, dog.
Alright,
We won.
it's right here.
That one, those, that, right there, that one, you want to delete it?
We're just gonna pick up. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, dog, that's not gonna work.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, okay. Port of internet.
It
It works.
Yes.
It's because it probably camera field reviews give it the
I have this one already.
I'm not gonna do line cycle shit. We're just gonna trick it. They're not gonna
Get tricky tracked.
I don't like.
It's
weird.
You're gonna be able to push some things and get a lot of things.
Yeah.
I'm okay with that.
Alright.
I think that adds a dimension to it that we have to think about.
Got an idea.
Even if
The
it's
object that they need to go
you know,
to.
something that makes you fall into.
Yeah.
Okay. I think.
Oh, yeah,
I
yeah,
think that's some objects that are big can be pushed and some that are small.
It's red.
I like that.
Oh, yeah, make that.
But not, there's,
Isn't the show check out the lines?
Go ahead.
It's
Yeah,
shown higher.
Soon, so that we can get working on something big puzzles.
Yeah, it's initiative.
I call it show high.
It is
Go back.
3, 4,
Search for WICS Game Jam,
finished.
because that's playing something from earlier, right? That's playing earlier.
Is this the-
Alright, that worked.
We had this.
Okay, so indicators inventory, line of sight, not gonna happen.
Okay.
Mostly because you don't like the alarm clock is right next to the bed, right? So away from the alarm clock, the player's always
Oh,
gonna
you
be
mean the picture? Yeah, okay, I see, I see.
he's like little tiny,
Oh,
little
yeah.
tiny columns there, yeah. Nope.
I'm about to try to do something.
I mean, you know what we could do? You know what? We could have the raycast just ignore everything but walls.
I think
You're
it's
gonna
about
give me-
time.
Yeah, yeah.
Walls, yeah, exactly. I'll do that. I'll do that.
I'll try to give me a solution to this.
Is that?
I would
Oh.
It sounds like a 14-second delay, so I'm gonna.
Yeah.
I wanna have the walls as a fucking, where all this. I'm a genius.
Rolling down.
Let me ask you this, Matt.
What's up?
Are we gonna have any more times when the camera gets animated?
No,
That's
no.
Not getting out of bed.
That's it.
That's it.
That's
Man, you wanna hack this or?
Do it, yes. What do you think a game jam is?
Yeah, we
We don't have any idea right now. We just do something else. We kind of.
Oh, okay,
You have to get out of
and it was
It's
awesome.
not, it's not working though. It's,
Can I
It was working.
try it? Or like,
try what, dude? Nothing, it's something.
Yeah.
No, okay.
But it was working.
No, the animation plays. That's fine. Coming out of the animation, it's not in the right spot. Here's a second.
What's not, what's in, what's not spot? Define those things.
okay.
But it's, I don't.
I'll literally show you what happens. This is what happens. I watch the player. Okay.
Because I've
Watch the
done this
I'm
before.
using his method.
All right, well, that's the first thing that happens. Animation finishes. I literally set his rotation.
Okay.
You saw it. You saw the rotation set. It just flips back. The animation's not even
Flips
on
back to what, what's that?
that flat position.
Yeah.
What's the correct position?
Straight up. It's player.
The player?
Yeah, he's supposed to be standing on the ground straight up. Or standing wherever he is on straight up. but-
So set up rotation.
I did. I do. It throws it back.
Where's the animator? Is the animator on?
The animation, the animator.
Everybody's
Is it on? Is it on right? It's playing. Click.
Yes, it's in IO.
Yeah, that's the problem.
It's on the camera, not on the parents.
It's gonna move stuff. That always happens.
But it shouldn't move your parent.
Yes, it should.
Only solution.
Yes, it should.
No, it shouldn't.
Yes, it
It's on the
should.
child.
The animation plays.
Dog. Game object.
Yeah.
Game object. If this has a collider, this is this guy's collider.
It doesn't have a glider.
Yes.
Exactly.
Exactly what I'm saying. If the collider is still attached to this guy.
You can't have multiple animators on.
Yeah,
I don't-
it's
I don't-
gonna- no, that's.
We're saying, you have an animator on the child, it's also the parent animator.
Yeah,
You can't
It's-
have multiple animators.
yeah, it's not, it's just.
Then there's no way to fix this.
No.
You know, then you need a solution
What solution?
to make that work.
So the kid.
You would go to you would go to a new animation state where he's in the walking state, which is him upright. And there's no animation there, it's just him upright.
But there's no animation in it, right? There's no animation clip in it.
No, well, you could be animation, but it was
There's no animation.
If there's
That's what this is. I don't know how to go, I don't know how to put him into a go into upright state. That's technically what I would do.
No, make an animation clip. Make an animation clip that makes him go from and then stay in that state, go up.
If you say so, that's stay, just don't move.
Yeah, of course you can. If it's a play once animation, it's just sitting there. Nothing, like, the animator's not going. He's just sitting there.
From the ground.
Well, go here. Look at how Unity does the third person character. It's exactly that. When they go from when he goes to idle, the animator's not playing. He's just sitting there. There's no root motion. There's no any motion.
Fine.
I understand,
Games look like that.
but it's, that's the thing, like, it goes into the idle position, the idle animation, which is an animation that just plays in loops, which is what's happening now. There's no animation.
Right now, there should be no animation playing. I know that's a problem.
Like, I do animation, so.
Go to town. I'm assuming that I had a new system on the trial that they see that what goes in the system. I literally have a camera that does the animations and then I turn it on and off. And I just move the person. There's no animation on the character himself. That's what they do with cutscenes. They have a cutscene camera. They have a cutscene rig. Literally, this is like cutscene.
Yeah,
and they'll have
but
a
when you do cutscenes, usually you have you're turning off cameras. Like when you're doing cutscenes,
That's what I said.
You do have a whole different camera.
That's what I said. That's what I was gonna do.
I was gonna make a whole different camera that switched to that one. He animated the beating up thing, and then I switched back to the player who was put in the right position.
Giving you string cards.
Yeah, do that. Do that. Okay.
So before, I'm just gonna throw out something because I know animations is like, you don't apply root motion, it doesn't, it's, whenever you animate, it's technically, it didn't change the position. So what I said to do was, a player like this, all he did, he just animate him going from this to this. And then he's already gonna be there.
Yes,
That's not almost sitting in the bed.
Yeah.
You have to have it sitting in the bed.
Yes, exactly. And also, the thing with indicators, we fucked up. Like because I saw the Frustum problem where he rotating on Z. I mean, I spent a whole semester in fucking cutscenes.
You know how hard that is?
I should have bought that. I would have made it way easier. Just make cutscenes. You can define a bunch of animation points. You can define a bunch of cameras. You can turn on and off cameras. You can do camera with.
So when I'm turn off the camera and use the animation camera, it does the cutscene and you switch back to the player.
Yeah, you were talking about last semester. Whenever you go into cutscenes, whenever there was a player camera.
Yeah, no, I get it. I thought that was a great idea when I heard it. I was like, that's what we should do.
Okay, so the indication is correct. Your GUI. Okay, so I'm gonna start integrating. I'm gonna start integrating all the stuff from there. And then with that, we can actually start.
So how's it? Oh, I want to read out some of the emails I have. I want to post editing the first one because I didn't know how to like give a panic state.
Just him, just
Oh, here it is.
like finishing typing.
He's like. So he gets an email. It's from Saucy$28.
Saucy.
And it's to Hidden Soldier 1990. That's us. And it's
Saucy$28.
That's right. It's so bad right now.
Underlying videos of like all of these.
You mean terrible website?
Yeah, like the how we can compose. There's a ball of bomb.
Wait, can you use that? No. That's all. Total 9 yards. Slick suit, green face,
Sunglasses inside the building.
Oh, no. I can grab my girl and head on down.
We should totally make a saucer.
Is it there? Is it there?
No, not enemy. It's basically just something like a small point.
We'll give it a certain time. I don't know, 13. I don't know how you're gonna do that. But then Skype call.
But it'll be as soon as they press OK. It'll be as soon as they press OK on the email.
You pick up, then just gunshot. Let's go. No, I don't want to record audio. Let's get. We want to have work on this game. We pick up, just gunshot. That's it. Just do that.
If we don't have time,
yeah, just end it. Just end it. Hello? Yeah, exactly. Yes, exactly.
Yeah, I know.
Fucking exactly.
Saucy dog
Hey,
28.
if we can just still record this, we can record it while we're doing it. It's like just while we're working on it.
Okay, well, what do I need? I need.
I've got like 7.
When should we disable the movement and mouse control thing? Could we have one that says like mouse control? When should we disable that? We're enable it when you push it.
As soon as they do what, that's not the thing.
That's what after interact with the thing.
Right, so like the first one, you don't want to press that, as soon as you hit it, it'll turn it off.
Well, no, press interact is always gonna be there. It's like Skyrim. Every time you can interact with it, it'll always be there. But movement, I'm talking about movement and like mouse movement and character movement. That's top.
They don't have.
We'll keep it up front. Like,
I would have gone.
That's fine with me. That'd be better. It'd be easier to get probably.
Okay, so you have an XM that we can use to do defense game, right?
That's what I'm working. That's what this is. Yeah, it's ready to go. It's working. Like
Okay, when you push, okay, right now I'm just gonna do button presses to interact.
yeah, just do the testing.
Alright.
And, yeah. And then as soon as that's ready, then I can take this functionality out and put it into there because this right now is the stated substrate animations and stuff. That is not right.
And the point not to say like.
It's just so the thing is
You're not wrong.
Yeah, that's fine.
to enable
Matters one way or the other.
the interaction. Oh, yeah, we have that big interaction.
Hey man, when I'm getting that back.
Yeah.
Actually.
Maybe you will.
Power crew. I'm gonna figure out what to do.
Oh, yeah. You call hover, right? You call the actual hover function? Whatever hover or something?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we can put the GUI in there. Is it core GUI manager?
Huh?
Jacob,
Yeah,
what is it called?
coordinator manager.
What is it called? The element for press enter.
Oh, this is good.
Is it gonna say press at the interact or is it gonna have like an FT?
He has it. It says press enter.
Am I transferring?
Oh, we could have that.
Yeah, it should just have that.
I'm transferring.
So just like an FP, that's it.
Yeah,
Right in the
have,
center of the screen.
yeah, have it like not center, bottom center. Have it like
Yeah.
a little bit hump.
It's a.
Roll out.
My house call over the lady. Check it out.
No.
Big capital.
No. Why?
You
You literally, if I do that, I have to go back and change stuff.
always do it.
Yes, camel case, dog.
No, for important things, you always need to start with.
Yes.
Good.
Alright, well, you're not gonna be a real person.
I understand. Okay. It's usually better to do it.
Okay.
Okay, so hover is this, and then we want to off hover, we want to look, and we want to hide that. And show hide so
Do we agree to not have any air conditioning or controls in the system? Or no?
I think we're gonna have.
I'll let you do that. Anyway.
Actually, it might be really hard. I'm not sure. I think we can really work with time.
I thought you need to control my.
For scripts. Yeah, I think timeline for scripts. Like every certain amount of steps, one action is taken. Effectively becomes a movie. Pieces.
Are we actually mousing over? How are we highlighting stuff?
No, sorry.
For the mouse over?
It should be mouse over. It's because you have a distance that you can set. It's 5. You can set it.
Okay.
How are you guys doing?
Good.
How's it going? Good. Do we need help? No. Okay.
But maybe.
Wait, where?
Under, do we need help,
Animation.
you helped
What do you
before.
guys need help with?
Nothing, we got it. They helped.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Just let us know.
Well, I didn't think we needed help, and then they're like, maybe try this. And I was like, oh, okay.
That last one.
So this one. Is that
So
link?
tired.
Sure, we can play it. We can play it, sure. But how, was it passing the mouse?
Like.
Oh, the tags
No,
aren't
it's
tagged.
kind of the center of the.
Here, it doesn't switch to this. No.
That king gotta get that tag, and he got tagged. Yeah, look, he did that tag.
He is tagged.
Oh, he did tag.
Why isn't it working?
Bro, you can do hopping animation.
What?
Let's see what it looks like.
Or.
Fix it.
Or.
Was it coming from the, was it coming from the breakout from the mouse?
How did I do that crazy hopping animation on top of another animation?
Player,
do that?
player?
Yeah, players are
So remember how we told you you can't do the multiple animation thing? In my tank game, I did some crazy thing to do it. Oh.
I didn't have multiple animations. I don't know what you're talking about, but okay.
No, we're just telling you how like the hierarchy system works.
Right. The way that
I know
you do it every
I
other way,
layer
it just doesn't have to work.
I layer mask it with another animation to make them both have. That's how I'm doing
Okay.
Interesting.
Can you go to the kitchen?
We got rid of this.
Yeah.
Oh, boy. I wish that didn't happen. Or just we didn't reverse. We didn't get back. This is so pretty. Dude, how do I turn it off? Holy shit. How do I turn it off, dude? How do I turn it off?
It's
She literally beat you out of the way.
go on the
So who thinks they're gonna win this competition? Kansas? Who knows they're gonna win the competition?
That's really good.
All right.
I think we got a pretty good story. All right. And if you enjoy Homebound, not Homebound, Earthbound.
But someone would have won
Art
anyway.
style. I mean, I'm sure people with 3D graphics would probably be a lot better.
Well, historically, there have been a lot of goddamn games.
I think so.
Traditional games who claim for their graphics,
Wait.
or at least 2D style. I don't know. I didn't test that until last night. You gotta look at the success of games like Plants vs. Zombies. Doesn't have to be ultra realistic. It just has to be.
The characters
It
are.
doesn't like
I'm gonna need
a
to
tier 3
stop
game
that.
and then we're doing something
Yeah.
like a AAA title game, but we're doing something wrong.
I don't know what's wrong, man.
Tori.
I don't know what's wrong.
So is the living room really gonna be a jungle?
Electric
Right, so jungle.
Is there anything did you like? Did you wait to start it or?
They should just.
Need to get some battery powered this.
So what sound?
Hi guys, bye guys.
Are on your fire?
No, but I'm shooting him in the face.
Y'all are the valedictorian least filmed so far, I think. Yeah, definitely got the superlative for least filmed. That's the word I was looking for. Hi.
I think this is your death sound.
Like them, are you returning to us?
I'm returning to you.
Guys, we're being thrown on camera again.
That's all right, man. Nobody watches this.
True.
Drugs.
Oh boy. Next thing you know, LSU SRT is in here.
Maybe get some good audio on this.
Ibuprofen.
It's got to be like a short, quick, and to the point. Kind of like, I guess, kind of like the death in Mario.
What
was the death sound in Sonic?
Well, think about it.
When
When you're about to drown, what happens afterwards?
So it's like.
You don't really have some death animation. Yes. It goes dun.
Wait, do we want a death animation?
I was thinking about that, but
You could have walked in for it before we die.
think about
That was completely unnecessary. Animation.
Necessary? Necessary?
Unnecessary.
well, no,
Is it necessary that-
they have to do the coding to actually make a death animation?
That Kefka laugh.
Oh, damn, man, we have to do our animation back.
Can you do a front little picture of Sarah Connor doing
I can. It can turn around too.
this? And he spins off the head whenever he gets in.
No, we have the player running. I don't know if we have the player jumping.
So maybe I should.
We don't need it to be upbeat though.
Yeah, I know.
Jared.
Something. Do we have the player running? I mean, jumping animation?
I do have the player crouching person.
Put any.
I don't think we can crouch.
No, the spinning thing.
She
The
does
spinning
she has
thing.
a thing like that.
Yeah, like a ninja.
But you put any
animations you have on the Google Drive?
I do have animations already made.
Yeah,
But I don't know if you can bring it directly from Adobe.
Try it.
We can try it.
Try to export it.
Save them as like a PNG strip or something. Save them as a strip. But let me see what the ninja is. Save them as whatever the ninja
It doesn't give me that option.
Doesn't let you save this
It almost sounds like you're wrong.
JPEG?
Like an error.
Batman?
It gives me Adobe Effects as a project or Adobe After Effects template project.
We can't save it as a GIF.
Nope.
He's music.
All right, I'm gonna go with this.
All right, round enemy movie?
Yes.
I'd like to grab, like, we just need one. Just like, freaking monster jamming his way across this. Just like,
Dum 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 dum.
but we hey, do y'all have something set up for ground enemies yet? Like the ability for them to, once they reach the edge of a platform, turn around?
We need to get this art figured out first.
Okay.
Before we add more stuff.
That's fine. We can just get this.
Because you were talking about ground enemies, and now we're wondering if we should try to implement it in this. Or if that's actually going to be a
Alright, somebody needs to figure this out. I gotta finish what I'm doing.
Like that's what I'm gonna work on next, but after I do this art stuff.
But we have the code for a flying wood, but not the code for a ground wood. That's the dilemma.
Regardless, we can put ground enemy
on
here.
screen right.
We'll put walls or something. They'll have some. They'll figure it out.
Hey, guys.
Screw the ground enemy idea for now.
You want to try our playable level?
Absolutely. Can you move that computer to the desk?
Actually, we need to pull that wall down a little bit.
Yeah,
before
can you
she-
pull up the playable level for her?
Yeah, we need to pull down the wall first before we
Yeah,
load that level again.
Yeah.
Quick break on that. Shouldn't be too hard.
No, it's not. It's.
He said trick.
Yeah, that's.
I'll be right there. Thank you, dude. And go home and rest.
What was it like? How to convert?
How to say that?
Right there.
Tutor desk. His best desk. These men don't play. That's why they're at a game jam.
Right, something to kill. So you blow off the individual pieces of them, like the building blocks, the cubes and stuff. You can just shoot them off, just all the pieces coming off.
Yeah.
So you can target, like I can shoot their weapons off first or their legs.
Why is that person just standing there?
Because they have no, I've blown off their weapons and their legs. They're just a husk.
What are you playing?
Robocraft.
That looks like fun.
I enjoy it. Build your own mech and then.
So it's like the modern MechWarrior?
It's more like the indie MechWarrior. Would be more appropriate.
Do people still play MechWarrior?
I have no idea. I mean, there's still mech games. I don't know if MechWarrior, the franchise, is still.
Is it platform agnostic or it's just PC?
No idea. Why is this guy not even having any weapons? What are people even doing?
Here's just a pet. This is a dog.
Taking off his legs too. Ah.
You hurt the doggy. Just to see you feel guilty for shooting it.
Get me out of Legos. It's fine. It's not a real people.
Why can't I put this down?
What's that? Oh, you may have to start with a cockpit and build around it. Yeah, back to the shit.
Loyola's super serious.
Yeah.
Have the do not disturb.
You can just try one of the, unless you specifically want the walker, you have to start with the, that's right there, right, see. Unless you specifically want the walker, you can,
I'm playing Broken Age. It's an adventure
choose
game.
one of the cards.
I was about to say, like, it's like the old Atlantis.
Maybe you have to place blocks to raise it up, and then put it on top of the blocks and build around it. Oh, just from playing, I got enough stuff to buy another vehicle, looks like, so you can probably just play match and rebuy that particular one.
Don't go back down.
Shit.
Are you also shooting people?
I'm working on it.
I don't recommend sitting here trying to build this. It's not going to be a good experience. I would just use one of the other cars.
That was a cool one.
Well, all you gotta do is play for a few minutes, and you'll be able to just get another one.
All right.
I've got a 55-inch TV in my living room, and I'm looking for more games to play on. And things, if you have a 55-inch TV, things need to be shot on it.
Mm-hmm. I agree.
Team Deathmatch.
Oh, I don't like this one. Do you get different guns or is it just one gun?
I think there's different types. It's from.
There's nobody in here.
Oh, that's weird. Wait, what'd you think?
Oh, there you are.
Ah, there you go. So yeah, just go find him and shoot him. Pretty easy to kill people. Just aim for
Are they
their.
supposed to be on my map?
No, you have to like find them. It's a pretty small map though, so you don't charge.
Oh, someone just flipped over.
What's the effective range on that weapon?
It's only limited by accuracy.
So there's no limit to the distance,
It didn't look like it.
or any practical distance.
I don't know.
Like it probably like it kills people or something. You gotta work on your 360 no scope stuff.
The controls are kind of weird.
I see that. You gotta like turn, you can't straight.
Yeah. He's like,
in the traditional sense.
Yeah.
He's got a lot of rockets.
Good.
Kevin. People need help with spraying stuff.
I'm poor to set it up.
Ooh, that sounded like Star Wars. It's monsters.
For those of you watching at home, you can see Alexandra carefully working to make sure that this entire thing does not explode.
While we slowly try to make sure that it does.
Shh! Here she comes. Here she comes. Hey!
What do you want?
Nothing.
Everything's
Hey.
going fine.
How are
Nothing is
you?
fucked.
What did you do?
There are no fires, especially not in sensitive computing areas. So if you hear any alarms, I assure you it's probably just a bug.
What did you do?
Nothing. Nothing. We did nothing at all.
Move along.
What did you do to my?
Nothing. I haven't touched anything at all.
What did you do to my computer?
I may have touched 2 buttons. Maybe.
What did you do? Did you like post a status that says I'm gay or something?
I-
What did you do?
Oh, come on.
Yeah, no, that's.
I would do better than that.
Yeah.
True. So much faith.
Wait. So what did you do?
Nothing.
What did you do? What did they do?
I didn't touch anything.
Phil,
Things
guys.
have been done.
I know it's funny, but you're also making me nervous.
I really didn't do anything.
Oh, you're just being sketchy.
Yes.
Okay, go sit in the rotunda. We're gonna talk about dinner real quick.
Do what?
Sit in the rotunda.
Oh, was that directed towards us?
Yes.
Come on.
No, it was directed towards the.
I saw the chick walking by. God damn it, I was in.
Sandman is so tired. He just wants to sleep. Yes, exactly. Just put it away. I can do that. That'll be our next under inspired.
Yes. Oh my God. You just tripped over that and that and that and that, and then you hit the wall.